Received orders given. Expect results. It's Airdrop Sniper here. Today, I'll introduce a stablecoin project on the Ethereum chain that's gaining attention due to its upcoming token airdrop, especially after being included in Binance's Incubation Season 6, attracting many airdrop users. It's always advantageous to enter such projects at their very early stages, and currently, you can experience a mining effect 20 times over, so it's crucial to focus. Let me explain about a project with a token airdrop confirmed for May 2024, offering a guaranteed opportunity for profit. It's a stablecoin project based on Ethereum, utilizing USDT to supply liquidity, provide staking collateral, and more, without relying on traditional banking infrastructure. Investing with stablecoins like USDT or USDC means there's no worry about price drops, and it's easy to farm points through simple deposit actions. In July 2023, the project received a $6.5 million seed investment from significant entities like Dragonfly, Bybit, OKX, Gemini, Huobi, and Delphi. And in June 2024, it's expected to collaborate with financial giants like PayPal, Franklin Templeton, and Fidelity, indicating a move by the U.S. financial sector to enter the blockchain market through stablecoins. You can purchase Ethereal USD and establish shard points, which are set for token rewards distribution in May 2024, allowing for a relatively quick harvest after a 2 to 3 month investment. Currently, the shard campaign Epoch 1 is underway, closing in 12 days, with 2,000 participants involved. There are 3 ways to mine ethereal points: supplying liquidity and LP token lockup for a 20x effect, purchasing and holding USDT for a 5-fold effect, and staking USDT for a 1-fold effect. Staking seems less efficient than holding, likely due to the staking interest, which is currently at an annual rate of 28%. The most efficient method is supplying liquidity, especially now, in the early stages, where a 20x effect is possible. However, the cap for participation is closing soon, so it's essential to act quickly. There are 4 pools for liquidity supply, 3 of which are already full, and only the USDT mkUSD pool has some capacity left. Shall we go over the shard point farming method? As prerequisites, you'll need Ethereum for gas fees and USDT or USDC for deposit. Due to the Ethereum chain, micropayments are recommended, and in my case, I proceeded with $2,000, incurring around $45 in total fees. Since sending Ethereum from an exchange involves substantial fees, I strongly recommend having sufficient reserves. Firstly, access the Ethena site through my link, connect your MetaMask wallet securely, purchase USDT through the Buy tab, and in my case, I converted only $1,000 to USDT, as I plan to supply $2,000. Once the transaction is complete, navigate to the Liquidity tab to choose a pool for liquidity provision. Out of the 4 pools with a potential 20x effect, 3 are full, leaving only the mkUSD pool available. Click on mkUSD, proceed to the cover pressure, connect your wallet, and supply 1,000 USDT for mkUSD. After completing the supply, your MetaMask wallet will show the quantity of mkUSD. Move to the Curv pool tab through the link, deposit USD and mkUSD, and collect LP tokens. Return to the Ethena Liquidity tab, click Lock on the right, and lock the LP tokens you received. These LP tokens can be unlocked and withdrawn after 21 days. Shard points can be verified in the Shard tab. To be honest, the benefits of the early airdrop points in the beginning may seem unreasonable. The Liquidity Supply tab is expected to close soon, but even after closure, holding USD alone can yield a 5-fold effect. Given that this is an early-stage project, it's crucial to pay attention and consider farming. Today's discussion may be a bit challenging, considering the investment scale and partners involved, but it's something you should definitely consider. Thank you for today's session. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to stay updated on upcoming airdrop snipe tutorials. Also, I've included a short guide in the video description, so be sure to check it out. Stay tuned for the next video.